Good morning, everybody, and great evening to all. That was one fantastic video presentation on Capital 3.0. Congratulations to everybody because finally we are in the week where we are about to release this amazing product that we have specially designed for the bull run. I welcome everybody on this UK Prime Time. That's our official prime presentation on We Are All Satoshis as well as our affiliate marketing model. I am Prashit. I'm privileged to be your host for tonight, and I am honored to present before you one of the most amazing presentation and a special session specially designed for you people. Tonight's presentation is special. In fact, it's not a presentation, and it's a walk through the WAAS back office, but it will be delivered from someone very, very special tonight. And if there are any newcomers in the house, I would especially would like to welcome all the newcomers, new participants, new community members, as well as the leaders, existing members, everybody. You are welcome on this prime time. The agenda for tonight would be the walk through the WAS back office, and who would be the best person to present this to help us understand how everything has been organized. He is the creator of BTC20 Smart Chain. He is an innovator. He is a technopreneur. He is one of the most knowledgeable person in the blockchain and AI space. He knows and understands crypto as a technology, and he is delivering excellent and amazing, rewarding products for us all to encash as an opportunity. He is also introducing many, many special privileged opportunities that are not available for a common person. So with that, I am honored and I'm privileged to welcome none other than 28 years old. He is our creator. He is our mentor. He is our CEO, Mr. Shavez. Shavez, wholeheartedly, we welcome you on this forum, and I would like you to take the dais forward. Over to you, Shavez. Gentlemen, Chavez is already here. We have major announcements tonight, so please stay tuned. And this all will be updated by Chavez himself. Chavez, are you ready? We were telling you that Capital 3.0 is launching in this week, and the date has been finalized as 19th. In fact, after this Zoom call, after this prime time presentation, we are going to have a special event. And that special event is going to be very, very exclusive. And this will lead us to the launch of Capital 3.0. Capital 3.0, like you have seen in the video presentation, it's a very special product, specially designed for this bull run. And with this, yes, Chavez, are you ready?
Okay, am I?
Yes, now finally we have you. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, Chavez.
All right, perfect. First of all, invite your friends really fast. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. Let's fill this Zoom fast. Today, I'm telling you guys to invite people fast, quickly. Pick up your phones. Let me see all of you inviting people fast, really quick. Within 2 to 3 minutes, I need this Zoom to be full. Fast. Quick, quick, quick. Pick up your phone, invite your teams. We have huge database of users, active users, and sitting in a Zoom with 265 people does not make sense. Come on, quickly invite your teams. Send message fast, and then I will start. I will cover dashboard, new version of dashboard, what everything means. Then David is here with me to explain the Capital 3.0 structuring and with the spreadsheet, and then we will go into Q&A session. I will answer all the questions today around 3.0, and I will try my level best to establish the clarity. But before that, I need all your teams here. Fast, quickly, fastest finger first. Invite your teams, and then we start. Very good. Great job. Don't send me messages. invite. I am receiving messages. Don't invite me, invite your people. While you guys are inviting, we can play some video, or let's play this Capital 3.0 video so that people who need to establish clarity as to concept is concerned, they can watch. Perfect.
Introducing Capital 3.0, a groundbreaking opportunity. Your early access to crypto unicorns and AI disruptors. We've witnessed a seismic shift in how we interact with the internet. Let's take a quick look at this evolution. Web 1.0, the Internet of Information, where static websites reigned supreme and users consumed content passively. Then came Web 2.0, the Internet of Communication. Social media transformed users into creators, allowing people to connect and share like never before. And now, Web 3.0, the decentralized Internet of Blockchains. A new phase that's transforming the way we interact, create, and control digital assets. Introduction to Web 3.0. Web 3.0 represents the next leap forward, where decentralized networks, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence come together to create a more transparent, secure, and user-centric web. The key drivers of this revolution: decentralization, tokenization, smart contracts, and the integration of AI. These technologies are enhancing automation, decision-making, and reshaping entire industries. Capital 3.0 is your gateway to early access in this space. To crypto unicorns and AI disruptors leading the charge in Web 3.0. Here's a look at the emerging theses that will reshape our world. $5.9 trillion tokenized IP. Imagine owning intellectual property with digital, incorruptible proof. Every creation is securely recorded and easily transferred. The future of innovation is here. $3.6 trillion decentralized finance. Frictionless capital markets where you can lend, borrow, and innovate without barriers. Welcome to the era of seamless financial freedom. $2.0 trillion programmable money. Embedded solutions and next-generation cryptocurrencies like stablecoins. Financial transactions and smart contracts are redefined for efficiency and stability. $3.1 trillion Web 3.0 infrastructure. The trust layer for all Internet applications. Securing enterprise and consumer data with unmatched reliability and safety. These are the pillars of tomorrow's economy. Get ready to embrace the future of value. Let's explore blockchain and AI integration and Web 3.0 innovations. AI is transforming blockchain, predicting market trends, automating smart contracts, and optimizing transactions. Explore investment in AI-driven blockchain platforms for secure, efficient transactions and data analysis. Web 3.0 brings decentralized apps and DeFi solutions, offering personalized experiences and innovative financial options. Here is the table showing the exponential returns at the pre-launch stage.
Early access to high-potential projects. Historically, investing in premium pre-launch token rounds has delivered exceptional returns. Capital 3.0 offers exclusive access to these opportunities, typically reserved for top-tier crypto funds. Success stories. Showcase examples of past successes, such as early investments in projects like Ethereum or Chainlink, which resulted in substantial returns. Let's take a look at why consider private token sales. Private token sales provide the benefit of lower entry valuations, offering a higher potential for upside compared to well-established large-cap crypto assets. Consistent success. By diversifying across various projects, investors increase their chances of achieving significant returns. In conclusion, private token sales have the potential to outperform large-cap crypto assets. Check out this graph of venture capital-backed private token returns. Here are some key challenges in the blockchain and AI investment space. Challenge number 1, domain expertise. With over 30,000 blockchain projects and rapid advancements in AI, it takes a high level of expertise to stay ahead of emerging trends and identify the top opportunities. Challenge number 2, limited access to early-stage unicorns. Tier 1 funds often have the resources and strategic insights to identify early-stage unicorns, making it hard for smaller players to gain access at the earliest stages of growth. Challenge number 3, direct investment in Tier 1 crypto funds. Identification, expertise and continuous monitoring are needed. Access, relationships with top fund managers are crucial. Capital threshold, large capital pools are required for diversification. The C3O solution. Fund structure. A closed-end fund of funds providing a single access point to a carefully selected group of leading crypto and blockchain AI fund managers. Mandate. To build a diversified portfolio of early-stage projects with high growth potential, focusing on investments at the earliest possible valuations. Here is a matrix illustrating Capital 3.0, covering the full range of value creation. Investment strategy overview. A diversified approach integrating investments in blockchain infrastructure, AI-driven decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, and private token sales. Utilizing AI for portfolio optimization, predictive analysis, and risk management. Due diligence approach. A thorough vetting process guarantees that the portfolio comprises only high-potential, strategically aligned funds. Includes access to highly sought-after Tier 1 funds, creating a portfolio that balances established blue-chip managers with emerging talent. Let's explore the powerful synergy between AI and blockchain. AI's role in blockchain. AI improves blockchain efficiency by forecasting market trends, automating smart contract processes, and optimizing decentralized networks. Investment in platforms leveraging AI to innovate blockchain solutions, like predictive analytics for DeFi or AI-driven identity management systems, is on the rise. Future prospects. The integration of AI and blockchain is poised to fuel the next generation of technological breakthroughs, unlocking new investment avenues with significant growth potential. Discover how Capital 3.0 opens doors to the future. Capital 3.0 offers a distinctive chance to invest globally in premier crypto assets and AI-integrated blockchain funds. One-stop shop. Get early access to emerging crypto giants and groundbreaking AI technologies through a well-rounded portfolio. Commitment to excellence. Our team's extensive industry expertise, strategic alliances, and thorough due diligence guarantee that we remain at the forefront of the fast-paced blockchain and AI sectors. Become a part of the highly anticipated project, Capital 3.0, and position yourself to take advantage of the upcoming Web 3.0 and AI revolution. Stay updated through our official channels for details on the investment process, allocation strategy, and partnership opportunities. Thank you for choosing Capital 3.0.
Great job. Okay, so still we are at 408 people. You guys have just 400 people and you claim them yourselves big leaders in the market? Come on. Where are your people? Sleeping? Okay. All right. Keep inviting people while I will start now. No problem. The people who are in, let us start with them. All right. So welcome you all again in UK Prime Time. Today I will take you guys through the dashboard, the updated features, and first interaction of Capital 3.0 inside We Are All Satoshi ecosystem, and how it will work functionality wise, how it will work, and how it is going to affect your incomes, how it is going to enhance your income potential and help you realize bigger residual income, also help you realize the advantage of participating in eminent TGEs with good, with big crypto unicorns that are going to drive the upcoming bull run. The initiative that we are taking here is something that comes once in a leap year kind of thing. Every 4 years we have this opportunity. This time will come back after the bear market again. So we are sitting on very at the time where we are about to take off, and we need to prepare everything before we take off. So this preparedness will help us establish at a huge level what we need to do in terms of getting everything sorted for the upcoming bull run. You all might have gone through the Capital 3.0 narration. You might understand also. You might also have some of the questions, because if your leader, if your uplines have given you a presentation and they have briefed you about the product, about the project, then they might have also introduced the affiliate model. So we will understand the affiliate model also after this walkthrough, and then I will start taking questions. Today we will have a series of long Q&A directly with the community, and I'm ready to sit here as long as we will do zero questions. So let's start with the dashboard training. So that's why I'm saying invite your people. They can ask questions, they can clarify everything before we start. And this clarification is really necessary and important, because I don't want our existing members to miss out on anything. How will you miss out on something if you don't know? Let us learn more from dashboard. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, Shavez.
Perfect. Okay, so this is the new look of your dashboard now, and you see 2 income wallets now, and then you club. Before I go much into detail what these income wallets are, so we have separated the 2 entire affiliate models with naming it DeFi subscriptions and Capital 3.0 subscriptions. So DeFi subscription means your 3x income potential packages, such as Bitcoin Code, Boomerang, 9pay. Whereas we have Capital 3.0, where potential earning is 5 times of what you put in from the affiliate side, along with the return on investment ROI. So let us understand from asset page first, and then it will be more comprehensible for us to okay. Perfect. So in the dashboard, while you go on the asset, you see DeFi income wallet. This is your income wallet from 3x products, from Boomerang, from 9pay. If you will sell 9pay cards, your income will appear in the DeFi income wallet. If you will sell Bitcoin code miners, your income will appear here. If you will sell Boomerang licenses, your income will appear here. Then we have Capital 3.0 income wallet, where when you sell Capital 3.0 packages, and if you have active Capital 3.0 package, then your income will appear here. And this income is capped at 5 times of what you buy. Then there is DeFi deposit wallet. That means whatever you deposit in TRC20 from before, to buy miners, to buy Boomerang, to buy 9pay, it is your DeFi deposit wallet. So deposit wallets are also separate. That means if you deposit USDT TRC20 in DeFi wallet, then you can buy only 3x products. If you deposit USDT BTC20 in DeFi deposit wallet for BTC20, then you will be able to buy only DeFi products. For Capital 3.0, we have separate wallet and you can only deposit USDT TRC20 for Capital 3.0. So once you deposit TRC20 for Capital 3.0, your Capital 3.0 wallet holdings will appear in CUSD. So for DeFi products, for 3x products, it is SUSD. So when you deposit TRC20 for DeFi product, it will convert into SUSD. And when you deposit DeFi in DeFi wallet, BTC20 asset, it will convert into SUSD. And as you know, SUSD, here you can see, one SUSD is $1, one CUSD is $1, one USDT is $1, one 3.0 token is $1. So it is, everything is equivalent 1:1 with dollar. Perfect. So these are the income and deposit wallets. Now let us understand the walkthrough of the dashboard accordingly. So you see now your DeFi income wallet here. You can withdraw. Your potential earning is 3x and it shows you remaining 3x of what you can make. Let's say you have made some money, it will deduct and then it will show here credited and then remaining will show here. This potential earning is 3 times. Then your Capital 3.0 income wallet, where potential earning is 5x and it will show you record of remaining 5x what you remain and whatever you have made is mentioned here. Capital 3.0 income wallet is capped at 5x. If the income is exceeding 5x from Capital 3.0 wallet, then it goes into unclaimed income of 5x. So this remains with you with an opportunity to claim it back within 24 hours before the next business closing. And when is the next business closing? You can see it here. The next business closing, according to me, where I am right now, is after 10 hours, 20 minutes, 39 seconds. Okay. I believe this is clear. DeFi income wallet, Capital 3.0 income wallet. Then we see Ascension Club. So here is the Ascension Club withdrawal wallet. You click. Now you can withdraw your Ascension Club in USDT. Okay. Here you can see, go on view details. You will see all your incomes, whatever you make on a daily basis from both the 3x and 5x model, DeFi and Capital 3.0. Next, you see cumulative subscription, your total DeFi subscription first, whatever you have in miners, you have Boomerang, you have 9pay, you see your DeFi subscription, then you see Capital 3.0 subscription also. And in total, you see your cumulative investment, your cumulative subscription value. The same wallet which you saw in the asset page, DeFi wallet, where you deposit either TRC20 or BTC20 and converts into SUSD. These funds, it is clearly mentioned, please do not make any errors while depositing. Well, if you make any error, support team will move your funds. But why to make error? This is the reason I organized this walkthrough. So understand and read it carefully also, and ask everyone to read it by themselves also. Funds deposited to this wallet can be used for DeFi subscriptions only. It can be used only for DeFi subscriptions. That means Boomerang, 9pay, Bitcoin code. Nothing else. Then we have Capital 3.0 wallet holdings, in which when you deposit TRC20, it converts into CUSD. And it is clearly mentioned funds deposited to this wallet can only be used for Capital 3.0 and Take Capital. So we have Take Capital also. As you guys know, it is a daily ROI based model without affiliate. It is daily ROI project without affiliate model. So you can access Take Capital also through your CUSD. So whatever you deposit, it converts into CUSD. Okay. Then you have Capital 3.0 token wallet. Now you will get project tokens, and you get ROI, your return on investment in 3.0 token, and which is against the total vesting. So here total vesting will be also displayed. In this instance, this is test account, so you can't see your total vesting here, but for you will see your total vesting also. On your vesting, you will see ROI calculated every day. And when you generate ROI, there will be allocations through which you can swap. Even before you mature, even before 138 days, you will receive the allocations and you can swap with your existing 3.0 tokens to real project tokens. Okay, now let me explain how to swap. When you click on available to swap, you land to a window where we will give you option to enter addresses. Let's say the address by default it is TRC20, but if the project is Ethereum based, then you will get option Ethereum ERC20, and here you have to provide your ERC20 address and you have to write the amount. Let's say this allocation is particularly at, let's say I have right now 686 US dollars in my ROI, and allocation is allowed, or it is not more than $200. So I can choose either 200 or less. So if I want 100 and to liquidate 150 right now, but I will choose always to, go with the maximum what is required. So I will choose 200. Then I will enter my transaction password. I don't have to pay any fee. So in the fee you see 0. So there will be no fee levied here, and you enter transaction password and you click on swap. Here swap button will be there. And when you swap, your address will be sent for allocation and you will get the allocation. This is the way 3.0 token is going to function. Okay. Then you have pool wallet, you have Vault Horizon wallet, WAAS token wallet. Everybody knows, everybody understands how pool, Vault Horizon, WAAS token works. Now let's understand the income summary. Now you have separate income summary of DeFi, separate income summary of Capital 3.0 subscriptions. You have left side business, you have right side business for Capital 3.0. You have introducer kickback for Capital 3.0. If you don't have active subscription in Capital 3.0, you will lose your own income if it is there is check match bonus. If your downlines are working, of course, people will start working from 19th. So make sure you update to everyone, you tell everyone that activate one subscription so that you don't miss out. Otherwise, the income will go into unclaimed because the distribution is separate for introducer kickback, for booster kickback, for ROI, for check match bonus. ROI is definitely will get when you activate your own package. And then you have DeFi subscription income summary. Like before, left side volume, right side volume, introducer kickback, booster kickback, check match bonus. Then you have take capital, ROI income also here. Okay. Now adding your both left and left volume in capital 3.0 and DeFi, adding your right and right volume in capital 3.0 and DeFi, you achieve Ascension Club and you achieve pool. How do you see that? Here the volumes are written separate, but when you go on team summary, you click on my tree, your tree will open. When you see your tree, you will see DeFi left business volume, capital 3.0 left business volume, and then you will see total business volume. So this means both the volumes are added. In the right side, similarly, you will see DeFi right business volume, capital 3.0 right business volume, and both are added and it is total business volume. So here you will see your total business volume when you see your tree view. Okay, perfect. Now we covered this. Let's come to the profile section. Okay, so in your profile section, now we have of course, your name, your username, your email, your DeFi subscription. What is the DeFi subscription you have? Let's say license 1. What is the capital 3.0 package you have? Package 6. Who's your sponsor? What is your activation date? What is your activation date of DeFi? What is your activation date of capital 3.0? What is the registration date? In the eligibility section, you see your subscription is premium. So if you are already premium with DeFi subscription, you don't need to become premium for capital 3.0 to receive income. If you have capital 3.0 active on your main account, it works for everything. Then you see Ascension Club reward, which club you have qualified. Then you see your current pool, which pool you have qualified, Mega, Terra, Giga. You see your 9-pay tier, which tier you have qualified. Let's say in this case, tier 1. You see your check match eligibility for DeFi subscriptions. Yes. If you are premium, yes, you have check match eligibility. If you are premium and you have check match eligibility for DeFi, you will automatically have check match eligibility for capital 3.0. So yes, DeFi potential earning 3 times, capital 3.0 potential earning 5 times. Your Ascension Club rewards due date is 1st of October. So whatever the next month's first date is when you get released. Then you see your participants, direct participants here. This is a test account. You see your left, you see your right. I will add more features here and it will start appearing slowly. Right now, the fundamental task was to complete the entire dashboard proper functionality wise so that you guys don't face any challenges while withdrawing, while depositing, while seeing your token allocation. So everything is intact, everything is properly done. And in fact, we are ready to cater huge signups because we know Capital 3.0 is going to be a massive success, and we will have bigger traction than previous of all our products with Capital 3.0, because this is ROI based, and in affiliate marketing world, people don't even try to understand about what is the project all about. If it is ROI, they put money blindly. But we will make sure that whatever money people will put blindly is going to go through the Capital 3.0 channel into the market so that it is not it is consumed properly. Okay, now there is one more addition that we did. In subscription, when you go on Bitcoin Code, you buy miners or you buy node. Whenever you click buy miners or nodes, you can provide your Bitcoin code address here. So you don't have to now rely on your submitted address here, and you can change all the time your different addresses. This is going to help us also generate reports efficiently, and also you guys have liberty to choose different addresses to buy Bitcoin code products, such as nodes. Nodes people had, you know, a lot of issues. Okay, then when we go on Capital 3.0, we see clearly the packages 1 to 7 starting from $100. I will show, but see the amount, network distribution 65%, vested capital 35%, token allocation, compounding ROI 2% every day. Then you have potential earning of 5 times. In this case, it is $125,000. So this is how your buy page of Capital 3.0 looks. It will appear on 19th when we go live with pre-sales. Sorry, when we go live with sales. There is no pre-sale. All right. I believe I was able to establish some level of clarity as to how dashboard looks like, and as to how, oh no, what kind of, okay, this is funny. See, this is the test account I was using, okay, in front of you guys. Somebody tries to reset password of test account. Come on. Okay, so we have David with us, and we will go through very interesting calculation. Okay, to everyone who is interested and who loves mathematics, let's break.
Shavez, you're dropping out, so I can continue. Let's just do it. Hello, everybody. My name is David, and really thank you for being here. Rashid, you really opened it really nice, and hello, Lucky. Really good to see you. Shavez, you're back.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have financial freedom team. Of course, Peter has done a great job in putting together the Excel, and you guys are going to love the way it is, because this ROI model and this kind of calculative, what we call that, David, what did we call this? Automated calculation matrix.
Yeah.
So this calculation matrix is really unique, and you guys must have seen, you guys will see this for the first time in affiliate marketing industry, where the cumulative profit is coming through affiliate side and ROI both, and it is you know, you guys can be smart to even diversify your own packages into different positions and get maximum out of this affiliate model, which is eventually giving you 5 times of what you put in. So David, let's start.
Yes. So hello, everybody. Can you see my screen correctly?
Yes.
Okay. So I put it as large as possible in my screen so that everybody also on a small device can see it. This Excel will be shared amongst the leaders, and they can share it to the people. Everybody can use it. It's a very easy start. You see here in the top the start date. It's automatically make it today. Vested working capital is always 35%. So you can see here, if you start with $1,000 investment package, what you buy, you can see that 350 is going to the 35%. And on that amount, you get 2%. So on the left, you see that 350. You see the starting date, you see the rewards per day, you see the end date, it's already incalculated. And after 138 days, you have completed your 5x passively with this model if you choose to do this passively. But I challenge you to do this passively because it will be so much fun. You know, now we have a product where we really have something, you know, to offer, because I'm 34 years in this industry and I can tell you, I've seen a lot of ROI products, but they were always failing. And this is sustainable. And we calculated it. We made a lot of calculations. So the rewards at the end of the 138 days is $36. And why do we put that there? Because you have to understand, if you start with a $100 package, I can put it in here. You can see the $7 is going to 70 cents. So if Chavez comes after 10 days with a good offering and you have the tokens into your wallet, you can send them. So what do you want to do? You want to have as many tokens when an opportunity comes forward. And this is where we're working through, you know, because the bull run is only coming now, and then we have to wait maybe 4 or 5 years again. So this is how to maximize your tokens. And you see here capping is 5x. Of course, that is with the affiliate plan, if you network it, or with the tokens, what you get for the project. If you start with 135 is going to work, and you can calculate, you can scroll down here and you can see exactly how that is developing, and you can see after 70 days you doubled it. So you went from 70 cents to $1.40. But this is of course not the amount what you want to receive, because you want to have as many tokens what you can bring in. So we can do the affiliate system. You can also buy a bigger package, and you can, every time when you have money, you can, you know, buy a new booster package. We call that booster package, you know, to get another 35% in there. There is no limit in packages what you can buy. And that is very important that you understand. Every time when you put it in, it's 35% of that amount is going into the compounding of the 2%. So you can see if you put 1,000 in, then you just go to line 3 here. You can see, no, this is, yeah, 1,700. This is if you put 5,000 in, sorry. So if you put 5,000 in here, then you can see that 1,700 is going into the compounding. And then you can see that you get $35 a day. And this is every time. But you can make it faster by adding more money or by building your team. Let me go to the right side here. You see the compounding is 5x is 138 days. The 5x is potential income in the project tokens, because once you have the tokens, Chavez showed it in the back office, then you can swap it to the unicorn process company. So once you swap it there, it can go 3x, it can do 10x, it can do 5x, it can, we do not know, you know. There is the biggest thing. But understand, when you are compounding, and let's say you start, and I make it for easy calculations, I do that with $1,000, and you see you have $7 a day, and if you scroll here down, it is compounding up, and at one moment, let's say you have 1,370 tokens in your wallet. You can only use the tokens what is given to you. So the 350 you cannot take out, because that is giving you 2%. But let's say you take out 1,000, then 372 is still in there, and that will do the 2% every day. It will slow down your 138 days for 5x. It will slow down, but it will always increase. So there is a combination, and I want to show you what we did. Because actually you want to network it, but actually you don't want to have to use the T, because, you know, for me, I want to have the tokens, because in the tokens, you know, I can do 3x, 15x, maybe more, maybe 50x, you know, you never know. So what did we do? And Peter made this calculation. And for a lot of people, maybe this looks familiar. you know, we have the 7th position and we have the 15th position. So you can see on the left, you see account 1 is signing up 2 and 3, 2 is doing 4 and 5, 3 is doing 6 and 7, 4 is 4 left and 4 right. And you can see in this way, you have 7 position, and below that you make another 8 positions. That's 15 positions in this calculation. What do you earn? You get 10% check match. So on the main position, left and right, and then of course, these 4 positions, you get all check match. So you have 3 layers of check match. Let's say every position you start with $100. You can change this yellow thing here, not here, but this yellow banner, you can change it. When they all start with $100, it's $1,500 what you bring in. You can see the 5x is 7,500 tokens. But you get from your main position, you get $210 in check match, or from all the positions, you get 210 in check match, because you have 3 layers of check match. So people ask me, okay, so when I buy the lowest, they are passive. I say yes, but every time when you earn affiliate money, you can buy other package below. You can, you know, how you say it, top up that package, what you have. So if you are going to do it like this in a 50 structure, you know, a smart thing is, of course, to do below the bigger packages. But let's say you put in every package, you put in 1,000. You can see total investment is 15,000. You can see how big your allocation, your net token allocation will be. And even if you look at these numbers, 7,290, you know, if you let this run, if you do it with 500, you have 36,000. If you do it with 1,000, you have 72,000. If you do 3,000 packages, you get 218,000. So with the 5,000, what I put in here, let me see the 5,000. And of course, that's 15 times 5,000. You talk about 346,000 tokens, what you can collect in those 138 days. So let's bring it back. If you put in 75,000 in here, you see, you get 375,000. But here you don't have check match. But if you put them over your positions, you get check match. And this is for the passive people or for the, you know, active people. If you put in 75,000, your capping is 375,000. So once you go to Ethereum position and once you go to the bigger positions, you need to have 3x in there. So this is really amazing. You can also calculate here below, if you start with 75,000, in total investment, 26,000 is going to work. You see you have your 2% is 525 tokens a day. And of course, these numbers look big. But these are the numbers where we play with. These are the numbers what we do, because if you build your organization left and right, and you teach your people to build your organization, you will build a massive organization. You know, once you go to Megapool, Gigapool, Terrapool, you get so many bonuses. What are you going to do? You cannot eat up the money. So you put it here to work. You know, or you work for money or money works for you. So this is the brilliant system. You can see here how fast it is going. But let's go back to the 1,000. Even with the $1,000, look on the right, it only takes you like 68, 69 days. Let's say 70 days to have the $1,000 in allocation tokens to put in projects. 70 days. In the meantime, you can make so much commission. And every time you just rebuy a new package. Are there questions?
I mean, people can rebuy every day if they want, if they max out, because right now there are two binaries coming. So if you are Shiba, then you have $360 from the 3x side, you have $360 from the 5x side. If you are a good working leader in the market, you are for sure making, and if you're just Shiba, if you just have like a team of, let's say, under 100 people, in 2 digits, if you have team, people can make surely $720 a day. This is the minimum earning potential with just binary income. If they don't recruit, if they have good leaders working under them, that's it. So you put every day $100, make 500, rebuy, put 100, make $500, rebuy. I don't care. As long as you are making money, as long as your people are making money, it's good. But to have good allocations,
To maximize.
have maximum allocations, because then you are not getting any 3.0 token. You are just making cash, and your cash is your liquid money that comes to you in USDT TRC20. You withdraw, bam, finish. And when you make 3.0 tokens, that's why I am suggesting to start on the main account with bigger packages, and do not, you know, of course, you will end up making affiliate side money, but you will end up also repurchasing. So your 3.0 token allocation is going to be huge, but it is going to be slow. So
Yes.
strategize.
Yeah, very important. You can buy the same package or higher. So important to know, if you're going to buy the $1,000 package, then you can, in that account, you can rebuy with 1,000. If you rebuy it with 5,000, then you can rebuy with 5,000. So you cannot go back to 1,000. And that is really important for the system. And you needed to, we did the calculations. And even if you start with $100 and you network it, then you get affiliate bonuses, but no fund tokens. So for me, no project tokens means I cannot put more project tokens in the unicorn companies. So then you have to hash up your how you call that, top up.
Top up.
Yeah. So every time when you bring that in, and every time when you do that, you make more money. I had one lady and she said, David, I want to put 1,000 in there, but I don't have. I said, just start with 100, because you have 5x earnings. You have a big team. In no time, you will have 500 in affiliate bonuses. You cash out and you buy another package. You buy it every time. You can buy every day and
Yes.
top up and top up. And, this is so important that people, this is an opportunity, because if tomorrow a person comes and he goes to Chavez and he says, I want to invest $1 million in that unicorn company, he cannot do, because he has to take a position in WAAS, because only the tokens are allowed to go into the fund, into the unicorn companies. So even a person with $1 million or 10 million or 100 million, he needs to buy a package and get 2%. And from that 2%, he can put in. So if you start with $1,000, you have $7, $7.10, $7.30, and so on. If you start with a bigger package, you will have, and I know there are some projects waiting for you.
Big ones.
Okay.
Any questions on spreadsheet? Any questions on these 15 account structures? Raise your hand and let's see.
I think we have, do you see them? Let me see.
First, let us ask them to.
And you can also see on the right side here on the L, you see the affiliate bonus. You see on the if you do this with the package of 5,015 positions.
Sarah, turn your camera on. Let's see first. Let's see you. Perfect. Sarah, please unmute. It's okay. You can turn off now. No problem. Not to make you uncomfortable, just. Okay. Go on, Sarah.
Please. Oh, I'm unmuted. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you very much. The last sentence David said that we can pop up, start with 100. This is music to my ears. Thank you to Lucky. So do we need to be premium? Do we have one leg, right leg, one left leg to go into the affiliate scheme?
If you are qualified in the original plan now already, then you don't need to re-qualify. So you're already qualified.
So with 2 minus, for example.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. That was all.
It's also smart, you know, to buy 2 minors, to qualify with the minors, and then buy the Capital 3.0 package bigger, because you don't want to lose the 5% if you're not qualified. But if you're qualified, you will get it anyway. But if you're not qualified, for new people, let them always qualify with minors, and then you buy the Capital 3.0.
Or sell card. Sell
Or
one
card.
card. You know, it is, everybody would love to buy a card. Okay, let's hear from Carol. Carol's next. Hi, Carol. How are you?
Hi, Shavez.
How
Hi,
are you?
David. Can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you.
Chavez, thank you so much. God bless you. We have come to make WAAS our home. Okay.
Yes.
And we can talk to people about this platform very confident, with confidence, without fearing, is it going to disappear tomorrow? Like
Come
the
on.
rest of them did. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. So many
so much.
disappeared. So many are still
Yes.
about to disappear. So many will come and then they will disappear.
You know what
We
I'm
are-
talking about. Yes. Yeah. So this gives us the confidence to talk to people and just know that our word is our bond. We don't have to be wondering, well, am I telling them a lie because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow? So thank you. Now, my question is, since this capital, we're still learning this capital 3.0, I keep playing these videos over and over again, but you know, technology, the wordings are very difficult sometimes to get it at the first time. So we're learning and we'll get it, just like we got the rest of the products in WAAS. But since this capital 3.0 is ROI based, return on investment based, I'm not sure if we still need the 3% like we used to have in the first ROI, which is our selling point, because people are very concerned about crypto and all that they have gone through. So when we had the first ROI, thank God, we're still expecting to get something from it. But that was our selling point. We tell them, you have 3%, you know, in your proof of reserve. So even if anything happens, God forbid, you're still going to get something. It was a strong selling point. So do we have anything like that here?
Okay. Yes. So let me explain it to you. That's why we don't need to have a proof of reserve with this, because the way I created this ROI model, it will never, ever fail. Okay. You know why? Because of the mathematics. So I will tell you the difference first between the ROI models which failed and which usually fail. So the calculation, let's say you put $100. ROI is calculated on $100. And then ROI is given 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever it is, on your principal that you deposit, including the affiliate marketing commission is gone from that. and everything is done on the principal. But here we do first clear separation of vesting 35% into fund, and then 65% is put aside, and ROI is generated only on the vesting, and that's why it will never fail. So we don't have to even worry about this. Is and out of understanding the experience of failed ROI models, and after learning a lot from market, I created this. So this calculation is all set to go and move forward without any fail.
Yes, I have a follow-up question real quick. I was explaining it to someone about the 35%, the vested, it's called vested work capital, the 35%.
Yes.
Okay, that takes me to the next question. And I think I know what it is, but I just want to be clear. The 65%, somebody asked me, so what does the company do with the 65%? If can you explain that one more time?
So all the check match bonus, the referral income, the club, the pool, everything is paid in 65%. So people who refer, people who market, they get the benefit of 65% faster to promote the growth of the company, while 35% is at work in the vesting, and which is generating 15x, and that's how the whole 5x synergy is done. How it is generating 15x is because these funds have track record of generating at least 100x where they put money in, and people can go on their websites, they can check, these are regulated funds. So we don't need to have any kind of thoughts of even uncertainty of the profits. So affiliate side, we are good. We have the most sustainable model. At the same time, in the ROI side, we have certainty of the profit. Thank you, Carol. Perfect. All right. Who is next?
For me, Eric. But he has to open the camera.
Okay.
We'll go with 888.
Okay, let's go with 888.
Oh, thanks
for my question. It's just really a quick one, sir. Thanks so much. How long do you think the bull run will last for, and why can't this work in the bear market? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Great question. So this is very good, really a good question. So after the halving happens, and when the projects, they come along and they create a narrative for the movement of market, that's where the growth of altcoin ecosystem starts, and that we call bull run. When bull run will start, you will not know, because cryptos will start moving little bit. They have started moving, but not all altcoins. We can expect bullish run by December and January, because the allocations that we have decided to go with Capital 3.0, some of them are doing their token generation event in December and January. From January onwards, we will see huge momentum in the market, according to my expectations, according to the analysis which I'm getting from market. And then it continues for, let's say, 1.5 year or 1.5 year, and then you see the bear market or market going moderately normal. Why we can't run this in the bear market? Yes, we can run this in the bear market, but we will not get so many allocations. In the bear market, we don't have unicorn projects going in the market. So many projects going in the market. There will be the projects will be rare, but we don't know. because this bull run is different. People are now educated. People now understand the growth in the market is going to be very, very different. That's why it is not stupid momentum going on, and not all altcoins are jumping. Nobody is going to put money in stupid things. So market is very, very intelligent now. So this upcoming bear market is also going to be very, very different. So we will go with the flow. We will go with the we will adjust and adopt the narration of the market properly. And that's why I have decided to go through this channel. There are two ways with which money goes into the decentralized finance. One, through MLMs, where all the scams are done in the name of bull market. That bull market is coming. One project is going to do this 100x, 200x. This is the narration. This is what it is. Money is collected. Billions of dollars is lost. Second narration through which money goes into decentralized finance is the traditional market, from where the capital actually enters into the decentralized finance, where these top tier funds, they play a crucial role. And that's why this route of injection of money is the best route, and this route gets the most out of the market momentum. So we are going to sit at the mouth of the river and ensure that we cash out, or we wash our hands first before the river gets dirty. So this is the whole idea that I created with Capital 3.0, with the relationships, with the connections that I have, and then subsequently registering an entity that will officially reinvest the capital which we collect. So everything is set. We are ready to go, and we are ready to get into the allocation journey and have subsequent allocations starting from short term, medium term, and long term. All right, who is next?
Eric is
Can
next.
I interrupt? Okay.
Alice, come.
Oh, I was just going to say, if you have your hand raised, please turn on your camera. Otherwise, you're going to get skipped.
Thank you. Eric had his camera on a minute. Oh, here he is. Go ahead, Eric. Eric, please.
Yes, sorry. Thank you, Lucky. Thank you, Chavez. Thank you, David. One more again for the wonderful presentation. You have one question. When David was giving the presentation, I didn't quite understand the second part of it. Yes, about the 15.
Okay.
Yes.
We will cover it tomorrow in the Zoom, or just stay here after the questions. Okay. I will open my whiteboard and I will cover it. 15 accounts. Okay. Thank you. I'm here. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere without answering all the questions today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Who is next?
Okay, Eduardo, have your camera on, please. Thank you.
Hey, man. How are you?
Hey, man. I'm good. How are you?
Amazing. Amazing.
Okay, we are really excited with this new project. Thanks for your work, your hard work. Thanks to David for the explanation of this strategy. It's really interesting. And of course, thanks to Lucky for pushing you to get this 100 package for the people that don't have so much money and they can start climbing. Okay, so I have a few questions for you, Chavez. First of all, you talk about a financial structure that the top tier 1 fund have to create this 2% compound interest. Can you explain a little bit more how can they get this 2% diary?
So this 2% compounding effect that we have in 3.0 tokens. This is created by us on the agreements that we have with the top tier funds. So this is our tokenomics. And the best part is these tokens are not on-chain tokens. These are off-chain tokens. These will never be listed nowhere. Today it is $1. After 6 months also it will be $1. If I will do any listing game in this, then I'm going to potentially scam you, or you guys can scam yourselves or people in the downlines, right? Today's token is $1. It is dumped and now it is not even 1 cent. So these elements that we added in the tokenomics, that we added in the affiliate model, describes how meticulously I created the affiliate model, and with the 3.0 token synergy, that it is not Ponzi and it is not going to fail.
Okay, but let's say, for example, I am a forex trader. Are you going to trade with money with the 35% that go to fund?
No.
Nothing?
No trading. Only pre-seed allocation.
Okay, the pre-seed is really interesting. So another question. Let's say, for example, that we take part of the 3.0 tokens to swap for, let's say, as you have said, for example, for 200 tokens of the new project. Okay, how this affect to the compound interest? Let's say, for example, I have a 1,000 package, and I'm only an investor. Okay, I want 5,000 3.0 tokens, and let's say that now I have, for example, 2,000 3.0 tokens. If you let me swap, for example, these 2,000, I can get still the 3,000 tokens that I can get?
Yes, definitely. Okay. Because your vested capital, you cannot withdraw. You are only withdrawing the ROI part. So your ROI will computation will become slow. It will not be 130. So this is also very smart. You understand? Yeah. This is where affiliate models also fail to pay ROI.
Yeah. But let's say if I change my mind and let's say that I start making a team, I start making affiliation, then I only can get the 5x, so I have to balance the rest of the tokens with the team.
Yes. Okay. So if you do both, then let's say you make $3,000 in the affiliate side, so you will only make $2,000 in the token side. And of course, then you will top up, you will get more principal vested capital that will compound your ROI.
Yeah, taking the explanation from David, it's really interesting that people in face of the strategy, the last 35 days of the 135, you double the 3.0 token. So it's really interesting for the people to have patience to mature the package and get the more tokens at the end of the period, let's say. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, yes. I agree with you.
So David,
because affiliate marketers, leaders like you guys, you will have always trouble in collecting tokens. You will not get a chance to even compound, because all the time when you will try to compound, you have income, and then you will be like, okay, how much money can you put? It is like, let's say you start, let's say Eunice starts with $50,000, and Eunice has been making every day maxing out. So if you calculate the maxing out according to your rank also, then you can make one Excel of you maxing out in the binary, and then you can make one Excel with 3.0 allocation, and then you will end up always losing on the 3.0 side as a leader. So you have to set up your own sub accounts for ROI, for secure ROI.
Always make a passive position.
Perfect. Thank you, Eduardo. Okay, who's next?
Thank you, Peter. Please unmute.
Thank you for the presentation. I was a little bit late, but I have a question about if we can use BTC 20 tokens.
No. BTC 20 deposits are not cannot be used for Capital 3.0 as of now. Okay, as of now, but we will have
USDT.
Yeah, we will have different synergy with the projects in our ecosystem. So I will talk about it. Stay tuned for Friday calls.
Thank you, Peter. And Rhonda, please unmute.
Never mind. I raised my hand by an error.
Okay, no problem. And Solomon. Please unmute.
Please drive, brother Solomon. Focus on the road. It's okay. I will go on personal Zoom with you and answer all the questions. Focus on driving. Let's not take question from him.
Okay. And Robert, can you please have your camera on?
Solomon, relax. When you park, then we take question from you. Keep focus on the road. Okay, cool.
Okay, we'll go to next. Robert, please unmute.
Can I?
Let Robert.
Hello?
Okay. Wait. Let Robert ask question and then we go with you.
Hello?
Robert?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Shavez. I'm just trying to come back to the way you have restructured the WAAS, and somebody can buy or buy the miners from there directly on the WAAS board. Is it possible for somebody to go in and see, put a miner there and sell a miner there also?
I don't understand. No. No miners are included with Capital 3.0. This is pure investment. No. Yeah.
Oh, not. Oh, it's not. It's not. It doesn't. This one has nothing to do with miners.
No.
Okay. Okay.
That's why it is 5x, Robert.
Okay. This one is just you just invest and then get a profit out of it.
Yeah. Money. Nothing else. Because
good.
See, with BTCC, you mine BTCC. BTCC is growing. BTCC after 3 to 4 years will make 5,000x. There we have long-term approach. For that, you need to be calm, composed. You need to be patient. You need to continue mining, harvesting, and you will see long-term growth. We need to make money also short-term in the upcoming bull run. So here it is, cash.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much.
Let's do it. Thank you. Okay, who's next? I think Dr.
Yes.
Soga. Okay, come on.
Thank you, Shavez. I love when you say this one is money. You say ROI. We can easily do even the calculations that David showed us that we can base on those calculations. But you know what? David and his team, the financial freedom, they did the same with Boomerang, and we were basing on those calculations. And when Boomerang started, we could not make that 3x daily or after 3 days. So it was a blow for especially.
Okay, Boomerang is a product. It will continue working for bear market also, for bull market also, for next upcoming 3 bull runs. It will work. So it is a product. It is not a short time money making mechanism. But yes, the way we expected Boomerang to perform, of course it will perform. It is here with us. But this is a pure ROI model with return on investment. Let's make money with this. And we have Boomerang, we have 9Pay, we have BTCC. We will have more products.
Yeah, no, I agree with you, Chavez. Look, I have a question. When Capital 3.0 starts and the 35% starts building up, compounding, when are we expecting the next allocation or the first allocation of the token?
Very good question. So the allocations will depend on the volume, business, how you guys pick up right now. Of course, how much we have investing, which we can allocate. Depending on the vesting potential, we will allocate funds in 3 different kinds of projects, TGEs. One will be faster, eminent TGEs, in which the allocation will be in minimum 2 to 3 months. And then there will be some medium term up to 6 months. And there will be long term also, close to 12 to 15 months. So this is the way I will diversify. But to diversify, I need to have the proper understanding of the cash flow. So let's start by 19. And I will begin with short term and then move to medium term. And also along with that, we'll allocate some in long term so that when we reach there, because the benefits are more, the X's are bigger in longer vesting period. So I will diversify it because the promise is to deliver 5x to you guys. But where I am seeing the catch is, we participate in projects which after you guys get allocation make at least 15 to 20x more, where you guys can, can make a lot of money even after making an exit. That's my guess.
Okay. Chavez, let me just take advantage of you while you are here. Look, Africa team really is to have a meeting with you. So you always promised us that you will give us an allocation of your time. So please, we need to.
In which
financial freedom. I'm under financial freedom team. Yeah, Chantel is my direct sponsor.
Perfect. I will jump on call hopefully tomorrow. So set a time with your team and I will join the call tomorrow.
All right. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Who is next?
Joyce.
Yes. Hello. Good evening. Thank you, Chavez, for this huge opportunity. I have a question. In the presentation, I saw 0.5 and 0.6, but they are the opposite from each other. So that repurchasing is an option available to subscriptions or to subscribers once they have reached their maximum limit. So, and 0.6, that members on boosting on top up will we begin to receive ROC in 3.0 token, 35% of the new total allocation that they achieve.
Yes.
So is it possible to buy, for example, 2 packages of $100 in one account?
Yes.
At the same time?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have to wait till your 5x is reached.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And David, please unmute.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Chavez. This is Chavez.
Hello.
Yes, hi. I guess my question is in the same line as the doctor who was speaking before. The fact that it's taking so much time for Boomerang to really do what we thought it was going to do, I think Capital 3.0 is going to replace it. And that's my feeling.
No.
It will be there. It will be there, but it looks like it's
everyone. To everyone. For everybody's. These all are different opportunities in their own segments. Let's say we have 9Pay card. 9Pay card is a financial instrument. We will offer IBAN numbers also. We will offer exchange services also. On-ramp, off-ramp services also. It is a separate product type. Then we have Boomerang, which is a trading AI bot, AI software. It is a separate type of product. Then we have Bitcoin code mining ecosystem. This is Capital 3.0. This is bull market opportunity to make money. So this is different. Products are, that's why DeFi subscriptions are different in WAAS. Capital 3.0 is different in WAAS. So do not think that it is going to replace even Bitcoin code. BTCC is our, basis where we started, and it will always continue to, it depends on, I have limited time to talk. When I talk about Capital 3.0, that does not mean it is going to replace 9Pay, it is going to replace Boomerang, it is going to replace Bitcoin code. No. As people in the market, they work in 10 different projects. If I have caliber to give 10 different projects in an ecosystem, collaborated, combined, that equally benefits everything, this is the best which can happen. So
I only say that because it looks like Capital 3.0 is going to show return faster than Boomerang, because Boomerang, I feel particularly lucky. I think I mentioned that to Lucky with a $216,000, limit. It would take her 1,400 years at one trade a day.
No. Wait for new networks, and your ETA will shorten, and then you will understand. So
all right. Anyway, I appreciate your passion and all the leaders' passion, even though my leader cut me from her team, so that's okay. I mean, I'll
who's your upline?
That's okay. I don't need to put anybody under the bus. So she's lovely. I love her.
Okay.
Have a good afternoon, everybody.
I understand, but if you want to organize team, your call with your team, bring them here. I'm here for next 2-3 hours more before the US prime time, after the US prime time also. So bring them here. I will talk to them. I will answer all the questions. Just send the same link, invite people. I'm here. Thank you.
Thank you. And Solomon, you have your camera on, please.
Solomon is driving.
Oh yeah, he's put his hand up again. Okay, we'll move on. Gilbert.
Good afternoon, Chavez.
Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Good to see you. Long
yeah,
time.
It's been a while. I've been busy. I miss some of your appearances, but I always attend the Wednesday one, so I'm a little bit up to date, but not always. And I have about 2-3 questions. Number one, this new product is really fantastic, and I hope it's going to be paying off for those people that are going to be passive as well, not just for us that are going to be marketing. Then the second thing is, when I looked, this is personal now. When I looked at my account, the last time I looked at it, I did not withdraw my dividends, but it's gone away, and it's a lot of money.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I was waiting for this product. I didn't know you were going to clear it out.
Well, I informed everyone that withdraw your dividend. It's September
I tried.
already.
It would not allow. It was saying it's not syncing. It's not syncing.
Okay, okay. Allow me a couple of days. Let us launch Capital 3.0, go live. I will reinstate. I have thought about reinstating the dividend wallet back for 2 days to ensure withdrawals and then putting it back. I will do it. Please don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. Nobody will not lose nothing.
I'm not going to lose my pending reward. No, the one for marketing. I also tried to withdraw and it's been pending for 4 weeks.
Yes, no problem. It will be done and this dividend will also be released.
Okay. The fourth thing is, are you going to give a special, this is a special reward for people that markets more of this 3.0? Are you going to be special?
Yes. Special rewards of 65% distribution is for the people.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something else. Like maybe you are going to do some drop off or something for those people or something,
No.
That is an encouragement. No, it's going to help with the marketing. Because when you reach your maximum, you are discouraged to go ahead and market, right?
So
you need to do something for the people that we market, right?
Definitely, if we will get the opportunity where we will have collaborative airdrops, then I will give it to everyone, not just the people who are marketing, but a whole user base. Come on, passive people also, they put money in the hope to make more money. So we will benefit everyone. So the goal is to benefit more. And I will continue to do so as I have been working hard. I have been consistently putting everything together. You guys are there with me from day one,
Thank you. And MD, please unmute.